Squeeze toys or stress balls? This activity builds palmar strength and teaches your child how to squeeze and hold, useful for writing, opening jars, and carrying objects. Have your child hold the ball in one hand and squeeze it tightly. Count to 3 while they hold the squeeze, then relax. Repeat 5 times per hand. To make it easier, use a soft squishy ball. For more control, have your child rest their elbow on the table while squeezing. As they improve, add a timer. How many squeezes in 30 seconds? Or squeeze and hold for 5 seconds to build endurance. Quick and easy to do anywhere. Squeeze toys help strengthen little hands for big jobs.